Hi everyone, so today I have my projects that I made for the Christmas collab. All the wonderful ladies that are taking part I will link down below, and please go over and have a look at all the projects that everyone's making. I think it is designer's choice, so we got a prompt word which was snow, and then each crafter has made a project of their choosing. So today I'm just going to show you what I made, and excuse my hands guys because they are gluey because I've been working on some projects and I was using acrylic glue and it doesn't come off as easy as the normal glue, so please excuse my hands. So yeah, I made some shakers. So I used the Let It Snow by Doodlebug paper, and I used some project board. I'm not used to using the poster board as my layers in between because I usually use foam, but I didn't have any foam, so I've actually just used some poster board and some the board that you have on the back of your paper. I just use that as a backing, and then I think it turned out really cute. So there's my first one. It has a little Christmas tree in it, and then I used a die that I had off of AliExpress that I didn't even get to use this Christmas actually, and it makes these little jumper dies, and I think that's really cute. And I used some of the icon stickers from the Doodlebug. Let's do this one. And again, this one has a little snowman inside and it says Let It Snow. And the last one is another jumper one, and it just has some snowflake pattern paper in there. So those are my projects. Wow, I was actually stumped for ages of what to do. Then I had an idea, and then I thought I had all the time in the world and realized that I didn't. But I'm so glad that I was able to take part. Looking forward to next month's project. So as I said, check out the ladies down below, and guys, thank you for watching, and look out for the next month's project, which will be uploaded on the 25th of February. So have a good day guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.